Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Protect the interests of all Nigerians irrespective of their ethnicity or religion. You can trust me and go to bed. So, I want to thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. It's a wonderful opportunity. I don't think I have addressed a Christian congregation like this. So I want to thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to listen to us. I pledge that I will restore security in this country. I swear to Almighty God, I will do it. And I can do it.
Sure.
All what you need to is have a leadership that has the capacity to do it. And I have the capacity to do it. And I also want to pledge before you that there will be fairness in representation in every aspect of governance. I want to caution you. Anybody who comes to start talking to you about religion in politics, don't trust that person. No, I don't advise you to trust that person. So I want to thank you very much for giving us this opportunity. May God bless all of you.